The Good House by Rodrigo Vilas Boas Arquitetos in Brazil. Located at Serra das Cabras, in Campinas, Sao Paulo, Casa O BEM was idealized with the main objective of ensuring and preserving its privileged view. There was a very steep slope to be explored and yet the goal of meeting a single client request, ensuring the privacy of the house considering neighbors and the condominium street. We designed a contemporary house, taking advantage of this slope and the space of 46.700 square meters, 153,215 sq ft, focusing on the panoramic view of the land. Respecting full and empty shapes, we guaranteed 100% of the view in all spaces and only a single apparent pillar so as not to compromise the landscape. The higher gourmet area ensures air circulation, preserving the south wind directed to the land and also protecting it from the sun and rain. The entrance hall invites those arriving to admire the incredible horizon of preserved nature. The composition of the two heights of the house fits in the view and those who pass on the street still see the horizon and part of the landscape. Designed for a family, it has integrated environments and every detail was created to enhance the experiences of people living or attending the house. We also value raw materials to blend with the horizon: crude Roman travertine, riped Kummeru wood, inner space, Melito stone, and riped concrete, an ode to nature. The preserved view, so exalted throughout the development of this project, is a way of showing gratitude to nature and to life. No wonder, the client chose the name of Casa O BEM, House the Good.